Hello everybody and welcome back to That's How DIY. In this video I'm going to be doing a tutorial / product review for the blacklight paint that you see there. I am in no way sponsored by this company. I just wanted to give you guys my thoughts and some tips. I personally enjoyed using this paint. It was very colorful and fun to use, and it gave the effect that I was going for, as you'll see at the end. You'll see here in a couple seconds my eye starts watering because I'm putting the paint so close to my eye and it is very potent. So if you have sensitive skin, I would do a little test spot maybe on your hand just to make sure that it doesn't make your skin react in a negative way. Other than that, I mean, it was just very easy to put on. It's pretty smooth. You don't have to add water to it. It's in its own little bottle, as you can see, and it just comes with a small little blacklight flashlight in the set that I got. Right here I had to be really careful around my eye because it would have stung really bad if I gotten it in my eye. So if you're doing it, just be careful of where you're putting it and if you're able to withstand the potency, because it has a bit of a smell to it once you are putting it on, but it dries and then that smell goes away once it dries. And right here I'm putting some on my lips. If you're going to a party that you're going to be eating and drinking, I probably wouldn't put it on your lips, just to make sure you don't eat any of it or end up having some in your drink. That would probably not be the best idea. But yeah, other than that, it was great. And here in a couple seconds you'll see the little black light that I had. It'll give a better effect once you're in an actual room that's full of black lights. But you can see how it glows. And here, right, I had to get the right angle. Yeah, right, right there. That was the best angle for this video. Other than that, yeah. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe, and see you next time.